You must have heard of apple cider vinegar uses for weight loss, hair and skin and face. But let me tell you, these are just a small percentage of all the benefit it offers. So stay tuned to know more. 6 amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar, 6 side effects and precautions of apple cider vinegar, how and when to consume it. But before moving ahead, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe the channel for such amazing videos and press the notification bell for regular updates. Now, 6 amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar are: first, boosts immunity. The acetic acids and flavonoids present in apple cider vinegar positively affect the immune system. It's also well known for its antimicrobial properties, which helps the body to fight against disease-causing bacteria. Thus, to boost your immunity, include apple cider vinegar in your daily diet. Second, relieves throat problems. In throat problems such as throat irritation, sore throat, and cough, apple cider vinegar can prove to be very beneficial if consumed with warm water. You can also add a spoon of honey to enhance its effect. The antibacterial properties in apple cider vinegar provide instant relief from throat problems. Third, beneficial in lowering cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Higher level of cholesterol lead to many heart-related diseases and in many cases can also lead to a heart attack. Research has shown that apple cider vinegar is very helpful in lowering the cholesterol and triglyceride levels, thus preventing many heart-related diseases. The acetic acid present in apple cider vinegar is antihypertensive, that is, it lowers the blood pressure. For persons who experience high blood pressure, can include apple cider vinegar in your diet. But for individuals who have low blood pressure should avoid the intake of apple cider vinegar. Fourth, relieves joint pain. For joint pain problem, apple cider vinegar is highly beneficial due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Potassium, magnesium and other minerals and antioxidants in apple cider vinegar. It also provides flexibility in the joint and relieves pain. Thus, for joint pain, it is advised to include apple cider vinegar in your diet. Fifth, weight loss. The most common uses of apple cider vinegar is for weight loss. There are many theories behind how apple cider vinegar helps in weight loss. While some say that it helps in burning the excess calories by improving the metabolism of the body, leading to weight loss. While others say that regular consumption of apple cider vinegar makes your stomach feel full, which prompts you to eat less than you normally eat. This leads to weight loss in a due course of time. Thus, drinking 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water and every morning on an empty stomach can prove to be highly effective in weight loss. 6. Acne or pimples. The antibacterial and antimicrobial properties of apple cider vinegar kills the bacteria causing pimples, thus reducing or eliminating the pimples on face or back. To get relief from acne or pimples, mix apple cider vinegar and water in the ratio of 1:3 and apply it on the affected area with the help of a cotton ball and leave it overnight and wash with cold water in the morning. Few people might be allergic to the use of apple cider vinegar over the skin. You may start with a patch test. If it causes irritation, you may discontinue its uses. Now let's know 6 side effects, precautions of apple cider vinegar. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, it is advisable to consult a doctor before its intake, especially with respect to its quantity. Medical treatment. The individuals undergoing and medical treatment or under any medication should consult their doctor before its consumption. This is because of the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar. Do not consume it with citrus fruit juices. It is advisable that it should not be consumed with citrus fruit juices. While the citrus fruit juices are acidic in nature, the apple cider vinegar itself is acidic in nature, thus having too much acid can cause discomfort to the stomach. Damages the teeth. Never consume apple cider vinegar without adding water since its acidic nature can damage your teeth. Do not consume more than 15 to 30 ml of apple cider vinegar daily, since consume more than that can be harmful to your health. Do not consume apple cider vinegar directly due to the excessive acidic nature of apple cider vinegar. It is not advisable to drink it directly or apply it on your skin directly. Now, how and when to consume it? Salad dressing. You can add 1 to 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar in your salad to enjoy its benefits. Early in the morning, you can mix 1 to 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water and drink it early in the morning on an empty stomach. Before meals, you can drink a spoon of apple cider vinegar mixed in a glass of water at least half an hour before a meal, but never drink it after the meal as it will slow the digestion process. Before bedtime, you can mix 1 to 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it at least half an hour before going to bed. Drinking immediately before going to sleep is not suggested by the experts. That is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay blessed. Thank you.